More than 3.5 years after Oahu teacher Asa Yamashita was stabbed to death, the trial begins for the man accused of killing her. A man attorneys say is either a murderer or mentally deranged. KITV4's Paul Drews has more on Titleman Fauatea's trial.
Titleman Fauatea admitted coming to court under the influence of drugs. The drugs he's taking are to treat psychotic disorders.
We've got a young man who at about age 12 started to exhibit symptoms of mental illness, started getting treated for mental illness. This is a well-documented history. Going back to Honolulu Middle School, it's extensive.
His trial in the stabbing death of Asa Yamashita, which happened in February of 2009, had been delayed until Fauatea was determined to be mentally fit. But his attorney says at the time of the killing, Fauatea was insane. One witness even described the bizarre behavior by Fauatea, who had stopped by the shopping center for a haircut months before the attack.
He's all sweaty and his eyes all red, like he looked lost, like crazy people. I don't know.
Witnesses described how Fauatea bought a knife at a nearby store, walked outside, and then repeatedly stabbed Yamashita. But the prosecutor says Fauatea did not act insane, since he then got rid of the evidence, left the scene, and even denied his involvement to the arresting officer.
He approached the defendant, and the defendant, without being asked any questions, uttered, "I don't have anything, I dumped the knife."
Just minutes before the attack, one witness even said Fauatea seemed just like everybody else.
How did the defendant appear?
Normal. No.
What do you mean by normal?
No. He kind of half smiled. We made eye contact. He said, "Hey, how's it?" So I just, "Hey, how's it back?"
Many were at the shopping center during the stabbing, but Asa's husband Brian was not. As he arrived a short time later to pick up his wife, he was called to the hospital, where Asa was in cardiac arrest from 6 stab wounds to her heart. He didn't get a chance to see her before she died or even after her death.
When I got there, I was told that she had already died, and that since her body was being used as evidence, that I could only see a digital picture of her.
In circuit court, Paul Drews, KITV4 News.